Hi there. So this is a video I wanted to make for quite a while, and basically with the DJI Action 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 3 it wasn't possible to have an external microphone on the camera and charge at the same time. There's been reports of people that managed to get it to working but never reliable, and it was basically down to the design of how the external microphone is taken from the camera. With the DJI Osmo Action 4 that's finally been fixed. So a bit of history, I have all of these cables here, and I actually bought most of these at the point when I got my DJI Action 2 and tested all of them. Everything worked, and then found out that once you started charging, the microphone would cut out and it would use the internal microphone. It wasn't very evident back then. In the DJI Osmo Action 3 it got even worse, because cables like these here, these two, weren't even recognized anymore by the DJI Osmo Action 3. DJI had totally removed them from the firmware, so you couldn't even use them. The others worked, but not at the same time as charging. So now with the DJI Osmo Action 4, that has been solved. DJI is even bringing their own 3.5mm audio adapter that can charge, and you can have a microphone. You can't have a data stream while you have a microphone attached. So you cannot run a webcam output at the same time as you have an external microphone on the camera. That's sort of the only limitation. So as you can see, there is a green bar in the top. That's how it's been with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and onwards. Also the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the same way. Before, with the DJI Action 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 3, we had a little microphone logo that would pulse as the microphone was used. This is a bit more beneficial. That's green line will only be there if an external microphone is connected. If you're using the internal microphones of the DJI Osmo Action 4, it will not show the green line. Now the other thing is, as you can see, it is clearly charging, because there's the charging symbol in the battery there. So yeah, in the DJI Osmo Action 4 it finally works. The selection of audio adapters that I've found that work, I'll leave a list with links down below. The important ones are these Manjiahui adapters. They're both from the same brand. It's a bit limited where you can get them. Mainly in Europe. I haven't seen them for sale in the US, but that's no biggie, because this one is a USB to 2 times USB-C, one for charging, one for headset. This is on Amazon in the US, and they're shipping that worldwide, so that's a good one. So these are the ones where you can split your charge, put your battery on, and then put your microphone in. So the audio adapters that work with this setup, specifically with this that has 2 USB-C ones, is the obviously the DJI Mic works. Røde Wireless Go II works on USB. Røde Wireless Pro works. One culprit. If you plug the receiver via USB in directly without the charge splitter, it will not work. It will go into some weird charging mode, and I haven't really figured out why, but funnily enough, once you add the splitter, it works. If you want to use it without charging, what you can do is you can use this Saramonic SRC 2001 audio adapter and just plug it analog into the 3.5mm port of the Røde Wireless Pro. That works also perfectly. We have a Pozogi adapter, this black one, this silver one, and this Kiwi Bird adapter. These ones have TRRS connectors, which means you will need a lav mic or microphone with a TRRS connector on it. The two microphones that I have that is the EGP Tech, and the great thing about the EGP Tech one is first of all, it's fairly long. It's a very long cable. It's nice quality. It's also very affordable. It comes with the TRS connector already as default, so it is designed for being used on mobile phones and the like, so it will work with these adapters. It comes with a TRS to TRS adapter, so you can use it also on other devices, and it comes with its own USB audio adapter that also works, and that's also a TRS one. It comes with another adapter. I haven't quite figured out what this one is for, and obviously that cat. That's a nice kit. That's a really nice kit. So I have only seen these for sale in Europe, but even if you're in the US, I have another microphone that is useful, that you can use with the TRS ones, and that is the Rode SmartLav Plus. So that one will also work with these TRS adapters. Now, if you want to use normal lavs that have a TRS connector, then there is also solutions for that. There is this one, which has at the end here a separate microphone and headphone connector. That works. And the other one is the Rode AI Micro, which will give you two microphones on a stereo channel and then into the camera. That works too. So that's basically all the solutions that I've tested. All of them work perfectly. You just need to make sure that you use the right connector. The other thing is that this SmallRig SRC2001, this is the cable that you need to use if you want to timecode sync your DJI Osmo Action 4. The best solution for that. The other cable from SmallRig, here, this one, SmallRig SRC2003. This is an oddball, because I couldn't get this to work to timecode sync with the Atomos timecode systems and Tentacle Sync timecode generators. Wouldn't work. And eventually I figured out what it was. SmallRig have swapped around left and right channels on this. The DJI Osmo Action 3 and the DJI Osmo Action 4 expect timecode on the left channel. Most cameras do. This was basically swapping them around, so the timecode comes in on the right channel. The good news is that Rode, in their wisdom, the Røde Wireless Pro has timecode. It has a timecode generator built in. But you either have to send timecode on both channels, or they, in their wisdom, they are sending out timecode on the right channel. So by using this adapter, you get swapped over to the left channel and it works. So that's a good cable to have too. A little update on external audio for the DJI Osmo Action 4. I hope it helps, and if so, leave a like down below, maybe subscribe, and otherwise I'll see you in another video. Bye!